everyone, and welcome back to another video on my channel. Today we're in the city of Copenhagen. It's our first time here, and this time around we are traveling for the first time with our daughter, who is a toddler. So we're going to show you through our lens a little bit of what it's like to travel with a toddler in one of the most kid-friendly cities in the world. Hopefully you all enjoy. Leave your questions and comments down below. Please leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. We started our trip by checking into the 25 Hours Hotel. We booked the extra large suite, so there's a lot of separation in the room for our daughter to go to bed at night. The only downside we found is that there's no tub in most of the rooms, so it's a little bit harder to bathe her. Overall, we love the property. And another great perk is its location. It's in the center of Copenhagen, right here by the Round Tower. So this is an astronomy tower that was built, I believe, in the 1600s. And you can go to the top and have great views of Copenhagen. After acquainting ourselves with the surroundings of our hotel, we dove into our first full day. In the morning, our daughter and we enjoyed the Copenhagen Zoo, which was huge and full of diverse animals. Afterwards, we napped and walked the Rosenborg Castle grounds in the afternoon. The Rosenborg Castle is a Renaissance-style building built in the 1600s, which today houses the crown jewels for the Danish royal family. The Copenhagen card will get you admission inside. However, we opted to enjoy a beautiful afternoon in the park instead. So we bought the Copenhagen card. We bought the 5-day pass. And it was about $200 US, and it gets you into 80 attractions across the city. So we've really enjoyed utilizing it, and in addition, it gets you included public transportation on buses, the metro, and the S trains through town. That's plenty to get you everywhere you need to go, as well as to and from the airport. In addition to the zoo, which you have already seen, the card also grants you access to other kid-friendly attractions, like the Experimentarium and Tivoli Gardens. The Experimentarium is a hands-on children's/science museum which had activities for all ages. Tivoli Gardens is the second oldest amusement park in the world and incredibly charming. There are tons of great restaurants and rides for all ages. Say cheese! Hi, baby!
Tatum, wave! Hi, Tatum! Look at the, take a picture for Amma by the flowers.
Okay. Have a good ride, sweetie. All right, give it full gas, Tatum.
Do you want to do it again with Daddy next?
We've decided to spend this afternoon at Tivoli Gardens, which is one of the oldest amusement parks, if not the oldest amusement park in the world. It's right in the center of Copenhagen, and it's got stuff for all ages. Case in point right here, got this giant ride which spins and goes upside down for the older kids, and you've got the junior version over here, which goes a little bit slower. There's Mom and Tatum. We ended up buying the all-access pass for all the rides. I think for adults it's about 300 Danish krones. For the kids between age 1 and 7, it's like half price. Which, if you ride like about 3 or 4 rides, it seems like you get your money back. This amusement park is really quintessential. I mean, it's got everything, arcades, the food, the rides. It's really iconic, so can't miss it if you're in town. It's right across from Copenhagen Central Station. It's easy to get to. And I hope that you'll enjoy it when you are visiting Copenhagen. The Copenhagen card also includes a canal boat tour of the city, which lasted for 1 hour and took you past several sites like the Church of Our Savior, the Opera House, Little Mermaid, and more. One thing not included on our canal boat ride was a tour of the Nyhavn harbor. This is a can't miss when you are in Copenhagen. If you look up what the most traditional or common foods in Copenhagen are, you'll come across those open-faced sandwiches. But in reality, I think the things you can't miss are the pastries. We tried several well-rated and known spots, including Juno, Heart, and a couple others. But without a doubt, hands down, our most favorite is St. Peter's Bagari. Their cinnamon pastries and cardamom buns are out of this world, so definitely make that a priority if you are in Copenhagen. Of course, one of the best parts about visiting a European capital are the grandiose palaces and royal estates. Copenhagen is no different and has a rich royal history. There are several experiences that are included in the Copenhagen card, some of which we took advantage of. We also tried to weave in other kid-friendly experiences throughout our trip. For example, at the National Museum, taking time out to go to the children's wing, at the home of Carlsberg Beer, viewing their iconic horses, or simply stopping at the playgrounds we walked past. Copenhagen is a wonderful and beautiful place. It was easy to navigate and full of great experiences for children and adults. I would recommend it to anyone and hope to visit again in the future. Final morning in Copenhagen. This is our, third trip
Third trip
to St. Peter's. No better way to end it than before we head to the airport. Thanks for watching.